So it is 10:04 p.m. March 16th, 2020, of course. And I'm gonna be testing for a full month to see if my eyelashes can grow. Yeah, so this is like the current state of my eyelashes. And I bought a huge thing of castor oil just because I want a more natural approach instead of all these chemicals. So, okay, so this is gonna be hard to do, but. So, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna be doing this every single day, I guess, for a month. And by the end of the month, I wanna see if my lashes have grown because I've been hearing good things about castor oil and the benefits of eyelashes growing with them or just hair growth in general. So, yeah, I'm very, very, very curious. Put them in my eyebrows and do a little bit of this. Okay, so day one, we're just gonna, again, this is the before. So, we will see what the after looks like. Hopefully something will happen. So it is March 25th, 10 p.m. And I mean, I've been doing this every night. I feel like I don't remember last time I documented. I don't even know if I documented a lot. But did I ever tell you that this stuff is like thick? Oh my god, girl. This is what my lashes are looking like currently. Oh my gosh, can you even see them? I don't know if this has made a difference, but we are going to continue with it. All I can do is hope and dream and have faith. I'll only be able to compare like the footage when I edit, so hopefully again something improved. Anyway, I will document as much as I can. And yeah, is March 27th, 12 a.m. almost. Oh my god. And now I am putting the stuff on. It's hard to do this stuff. Okay. I gotta do this off camera. So these are my lashes right now. I feel like they're low-key growing pretty darn good. Again, I don't know if it's placebo and I cannot compare like my lashes honestly right now because I don't know what they look like. If they actually end up growing super long, I want to get like a lash perm. That'd be so sick. So we're gonna just continue with this because honestly I believe in it, and also I'm stuck with this huge thing of castor oil. So yeah, I just put this on my eyelashes, and also I just take the excess and put them on my eyebrows. Just like, you know what, might as well get nice juicy long brows while we're at it. And yeah, I'm very, very pumped actually about this. I'm excited to see what a full month will bring. I did miss a few days here and there, but the majority of the time I applied them every single night, and then also I tried to make up by applying a bit in the morning. Oil does get in your eyes, so that's why the morning is not the greatest, but if you put like the most tiniest amount and like rub the excess away, it kind of maybe makes up for the few days I missed. But so far, I mean, like, my lashes are looking pretty good. So yeah, I will keep updating you. And I'll of course keep doing this every night, and we'll see the end result. It's Monday, April 6th. I'm just gonna do an update with my lashes. I put on castor oil. My lashes are looking so good. I don't know, my lashes, like, look at that. They're looking pretty darn good if I do say so myself. I feel so greasy today. And I've been doing this every single night, and I feel like they're so much longer. It's crazy. Like, I'm actually blown away. I like false lashes and all, like eyelash extensions, but I feel like you can't truly nourish your eyelashes. Nourishing them and like taking care of them, honestly, like putting oil on them is like probably the best thing you can do. I mean, clearly I feel like these have been growing so nice and thick, and also I've been putting them on my eyebrows too, just the excess. Yeah, like I feel super good on these lashes. And honestly, if they do grow super long, it'd be so cool to get an eyelash curl, because not only that'll be cheaper, but also it'll probably last longer. And even if it lasts the same amount, it's still probably gonna be so much cheaper just to like get a lash curl instead of lash extensions from now on, as long as I can grow these suckers out a bit longer. But yeah, oh my gosh, I don't even know when my first like check-in video was, so I'm gonna have to edit this and like quickly see, but they are looking really good. Wednesday, April 8th. I put my castor oil in a little container. But I seriously have no idea how long I've been doing this, to be honest. So, but I think it's probably been a month. This is kind of what they look like. Whoa. They look so good. April 19th, 11:35 p.m. This update for my lashes. This is what they are looking like currently. Only thing is like I have forgot a few days. So this is me putting on the castor oil very casually. So keep that in mind. This is so thick. I can always do like a 2-month update or even 3-month update because I feel like I definitely am going to keep this up. I definitely want long, luscious lashes in the future. So yeah, I will for sure keep you updated with that for sure. I guess we'll give it maybe like 1 more week and then we'll do the final comparison. I'm just hoping my lashes do something. Put it side by side. But I feel like they're looking pretty good. Anyway, it is April 21st. My phone's looking weird right now. Yeah, April 26th, 9:43 p.m. And we're still going with this castor oil on my lashes. And I probably will be doing the final update, I guess, in a couple days. And yeah, and I'm super stoked. So yeah, stay tuned. Before and afters, I guess, at the end. And there we go. Okay, so it is Wednesday, April 29th, 8:08 a.m. So, or 8:08 p.m. Oh my gosh, I am just out of it. It is evening, and we are going to just do the final update of my eyelashes and just see if they actually grew or not. So, I guess the proof is gonna be in the actual, like, results. So, this is pretty much all you're gonna get. Okay, see you in the next video. Just kidding, I don't know what else to say. This is pretty much what we're getting. So yeah, let me know if it grew. I guess I could do a before and after. I didn't really take pictures, but I took like videos, so I could probably try to screenshot or just try to put like side-by-side video from like the first day I used castor oil to the last day. Again, I missed a few days, like I wasn't completely strict on it, but like ideally, you wanna be super consistent with this kind of stuff for it to even like work. So, you tell me if they grew or not at all, because I literally have no idea, so let me know. I mean, I guess I'll know when I start editing this video, but I definitely think they look a bit more fuller and thicker. So again, definitely let me know. Just rubbing them so you know I'm not wearing a mascara or anything. I didn't curl my lashes either. These are just like, this is literally the raw, real kind of spiel, you know what I'm saying, going on here. So yeah, again, let me know if you've seen an improvement. I definitely think I've seen an improvement for sure. It might just be me, but I think they are definitely more fuller looking. I hope you enjoyed this documentation. I just thought it'd be fun. I was just super curious if the castor oil did work or not, and I feel like it might have. Over time, I think I definitely seen the results despite me not being able to compare the before and afters. Just me using it more and more, I feel like it really preserves and like nourishes your lashes and like prevents a lot of them from falling out or like kind of breaking or something or thinning out almost. So I feel like it really helped. Anyway, the only annoying thing is like if it gets in your eye, it's kind of inconvenient. You kind of rub it. So that's the only thing. You might want to maybe try putting the castor oil on a spoolie, like an eyelash spoolie or something like that. And then maybe it might be able to disperse a bit better and like less like chaotic on your eyeball and like get all in there and hurt and stuff and get all nasty or infected, I don't know. So yeah, that's the only thing I probably would recommend because I put like a lot of castor oil. I just doused it on and like it wasn't the most pleasant thing. So maybe just take a little bit at a time. And then sometimes I took my castor oil, if I would miss some nights, I would just wear castor oil on my lashes all day, like just a small amount, so then my eyes aren't gonna be like watering if it gets in. Because if you just put the littlest amount of castor oil, it's not gonna get in your eyes. And like even just put on top, right? Don't put underneath. So then it'll kind of prevent your castor oil from contaminating your eyeball. Anyway, that is the final result of the lashes. So yeah, we'll do a before and after comparison, of course, at the end of the video. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. This was a fun experiment. Let me know what else you want me to do. I was thinking about doing hair, castor oil on hair, see how everything turns out. But again, let me know in the comments. I'm not really the biggest fan of hair oils, so I don't know. I will probably think about it. Yeah, I guess I'll just stop talking here. I hope you have a good day, good night. night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't want to miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as Castor Oil. I'll link that down below as well because that stuff is pretty awesome. I also have a video of me testing castor oil on my face for 2 weeks, so check that video out. Very, very nourishing and moisturizing for sure. And I will link my second YouTube channel down below. Please subscribe to that. It would mean the world to me. If you don't know, hello, my name is Sonia. I'm a music producer and I produce music. So if you like EDM pop, anything radio pop vibes, upbeat, bright, poppy vibe music, definitely subscribe to that channel so that I can release stuff for you guys. My music is probably gonna be like a month or so delayed because of this COVID thing going on. So hopefully I can release it soon. No later, hopefully, than the end of June. Oh my gosh, if it's later than that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So anyway, subscribe to that. It would mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.